administrator salaries and the cabinet position salaries in the Board of Ed and how large they are in the percentages that they're going up. And I think that teachers have a legitimate gripe when they see 9.1% increases in principal salaries under the administrator's contract.
9.1% in 1 year.
That's correct.
What planet are these people living on? A 9.1% increase in 1 year and so.
I just think that, as a parent myself who's going to have a kid eventually going through the school system, that I can't understand the justification in increasing somebody's salary 9.1% while you're laying off teachers. It's hard to swallow, personally.
Right, and part of this falls into when contracts are rejected and they go to arbitration, there are awards.
Right.
And unfortunately, sometimes those awards can be beyond what you initially rejected. And it's part systematic,
right,
and it's also part negotiation, and that's the problem here. But also, as I think we've all discussed, is some of this stuff can be done voluntarily. Just because you can get it doesn't mean you should keep it.
Right.
And other people who can get what they got, maybe they should keep some of it. But a 9.1% from 09 to 10 up to $129,000, that just seemed very excessive, and that's what I pointed out at the council meeting.